Suppose for all integers x, there are two functions f and g such that f of x plus f of x minus 1 equal to 0 and g of x is equal to x square, and if f of x square minus x is equal to 5, then the value of the sum f of g of 5 plus g of f of 5 is question. So it's an iteration based question, so we are going to assume certain values for x and we are going to try and find out the pattern here. If the pattern is found, then what is required to be found will be can be easily done. So we have two relations, one that says f of x plus f of x minus 1 equal to 0. That means f of x plus f of x minus 1 should be equal to 1, and we have other relation that says f of x square minus x should be equal to a 5. Now I'm going to put x equal to 1. So then this will be f of 1 plus f of 0 equal to a 1, and f of 0 will be equal to 5. That makes, I'm going to substitute f of 0 equal to 5 in the first equation. That makes f of 1 to be equal to a minus 4. Now I'm going to change the value of x to 2. So that will be f of 2, that is going to give me f of 2 plus f of 1 to be equal to 1. And I know the value of f of 1 as what? F of 1 is equal to minus 4. So f of 2 will give me what? Plus minus 4 equal to 1. That makes f of 2 to be equal to a 5. Now if I'm going to change this to 3, then f of 3 plus f of 2 should give me 1, and f of 2 we know it is 5, and f of 3 will be equal to 1. That makes f of 3 to be a minus 4. And if I calculate f of 4, that is at x equal to 4, f of 4 plus f of 3 equal to 1, that means minus 4 plus f of 4 is equal to 1. That makes f of 4 to be a 5. So now we have a pattern, right? So f of x will always be equal to a minus 4 if x is odd, and f of x will be always equal to 5 when x is even. And we are required to calculate the value of what? F of g of 5 plus g of f of 5. And we also know that g of 5 will give me what? X square, which should be equal to 25. So f of 25 plus g of f of 5, and f of 5 is what? 5 is an odd number. Whenever we get odd number, it should be what? Minus 4. So g of minus 4, and f of 25, again 25 is an odd number. When we get odd number, the output is going to be minus 4, and g of minus 4 is nothing but minus 4 the whole square, because g of x is given as x square. So minus 4 the whole square, which will give me minus 4 plus 16. The answer for this question is going to be 12.